10. Disable Copilot on Windows 11. Although you cannot uninstall Copilot, if you don't find the feature useful, you can disable it completely on Windows 11. You can do this from the Group Policy Editor or the Registry. To disable Copilot on Windows 11, use.
If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel Itfo.
These steps. Open Start. Search for GPEdit and click the top result to open the Group Policy Editor. Open the following path. User configuration greater than administrative templates greater than Windows components greater than Windows Copilot. Double-click the Turn off Windows Copilot policy. Turn off Windows Copilot policy. Select the enabled option. Group Policy Disable Copilot. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Restart the computer. After you complete the steps, the Copilot button will no longer appear in the taskbar, and users won't even be able to open the chatbot with the Windows key plus C keyboard shortcut. This action will also remove the Copilot setting from the taskbar settings page. If you want to re-enable the feature, use the same instructions, but in step 4, choose the Not Configured option. If you have a device running Windows 11 Home, you won't have access to the Group Policy Editor, but you can complete this task from the registry with these instructions. Another tip for using Copilot is to remember that you can interact with the chatbot using natural language, which means that you don't have to remember keywords or specific questions to get answers. You only need to describe your intent as much as possible, and the AI will understand.